بني الإسلام على خمسة أركان في الدين: صوم وصلاة وزكاة حج والشهادتين. شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله، إقامة الصلاة، إيتاء الزكاة، وصوم رمضان وحج.
There was once a time when Ubay ibn Khalaf in Mecca, he took some bones. He took some bones in front of everybody and he publicly displayed these bones. And the Prophet ﷺ was there. And he took these bones and he crushed it. And he let the dust fall. And then he said, Ya Muhammad. He said, Oh Muhammad, ataz'umu, are you claiming that your Lord is going to resurrect these bones after they have become dust? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed Quran about this incident. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, He coins an analogy to us, and yet He forgets His own creation. He says, who will resurrect the bones after they have become dust? Say, the one who created it in the first place is the one who will resurrect it. Perished nations. Nations that were given the message and yet they turned their backs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, from dust, minha, from it, from this dust you were created. Didn't Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala create Adam min turab? He created Adam and turab and created all of you from turab, and me included, alhamdulillah. We were all created from dust, and our return is to dust. And there's no doubt about that. And from that dust, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to resurrect every one of us. The question is not, will we perish? Your day of judgment begins when you die. How quickly can you die? How quickly? In one heartbeat you can be dead. Just one heartbeat. How many beats per minute do you beat? 80 beats per minute. In one heartbeat and you're finished. And then your day of judgment begins. Al-Qiyamatu Sughra. That in these next few lectures that we have together, inshallah ta'ala, that I'm going to focus primarily on 4 nations. 4 nations that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us their example in the Quran. These are nations that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent messengers to. They turned their backs on Allah Azza wa Jal and they were destroyed. These 4 nations that I'm going to be speaking about are the people of Ad, the people of Thamud, the people of Lut alayhi salam. And the 4th nation that we'll be speaking about, inshallah ta'ala, is the nation of Fir'aun.